Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain about the B.Sc Sem 1 Chemistry. Okay, before watching this video, like and subscribe my channel. Here I'm explaining 5 units, long questions and short questions. These are very important and gunshot questions. Now coming to the long questions, explain Bohr's atomic model and its limitations. Explain de Broglie's hypothesis and Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Explain quantum numbers and their significance. Discuss the shapes of sp and d orbitals. Next, coming to the fifth question, explain the electronic configuration of atoms using Aufbau principle, Paul's exclusion principle and Hund's rule. Now coming to the short questions, Bohr's model, de Broglie's equation, Heisenberg's principle, quantum numbers, Paul's exclusion principle, Hund's rule, Aufbau principle, orbitals and electronic configuration. ఈ యూనిట్ 1లో మనము ఖచ్చితంగా ఈక్వేషన్స్ రాయాలి, లేకపోతే ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ అనేవి రావు. ఓకే, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ గోయింగ్ టు ది యూనిట్ 2, chemical bonding. Here also I gave the long questions and short questions. Explain ionic bonding and lattice energy. Explain covalent bonding and hybridization. Explain VSEPR theory with examples. Explain molecular orbital theory. Explain Born-Haber cycle. Okay, now coming to the short questions, ionic bond, covalent bond, hybridization, VSEPR theory, dipole moment, bond order, sigma bond, pi bond, hydrogen bond, Born-Haber cycle. Okay, these are very important from unit 2. Coming to unit 3, organic chemistry. Here also I gave the long questions and short questions. Coming to long questions, explain inductive effect with examples. Explain resonance and its applications. Explain hyperconjugation. Explain electrophiles and nucleophiles. Explain carbocation, carbanion and free radicals. Now coming to the short questions, inductive effect, resonance, hyperconjugation, electrophile, nucleophile, carbocation, carbanion, free radical, aromaticity and Nuchel's rule. Okay, now into unit 4, states of matter and thermodynamics. Here also I gave long questions, short questions. Explain the kinetic theory of gases. Explain the ideal gas equation. Explain Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro's law. Explain the first law of thermodynamics. Explain enthalpy and entropy. Now coming to the short questions, ideal gas, Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro's law, internal energy, enthalpy, entropy, heat capacity, isothermal process, adiabatic process. Now coming to the unit 5, chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium. Long questions I'm giving you. Explain the law of chemical equilibrium. Explain Le Chatelier's principle. Explain the ionic product of water. Explain buffer solutions. Explain pH and its applications. Coming to short videos, equilibrium constant, Le Chatelier's principle, pH, pOH, buffer solution, common ion effect, soluble T product and hydrolysis, strong acids and weak acids. And I am also giving you the most expected long questions 2026. Okay, here 1 to 13 are very important. You can prepare for this also. ఓ గ్రేడ్ వద్దు, జస్ట్ పాస్ అవ్వాలి అంటే మీరు 4 to 3 యూనిట్స్ నేర్చుకోండి. నాకు ఓ గ్రేడ్ కావాలి అని మీరు అనుకుంటే 5 యూనిట్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. అండ్ బ్యాక్లాగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆల్సో. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.